This is only Nokia 6, and I have purchased this one from Amazon on 23rd August. This mobile comes with 4G LTE, Volt ready, 5 colors: glossy black, art black, matte black, silver, dark blue. This comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB internal, 16 megapixel back camera, face detection autofocus rear camera, 8 megapixel autofocus front camera. And the only problem in this phone is that of his processor. There is Snapdragon 430, and this also HD supportable, pure HD supportable, 5.5 inch. And the main special feature of this phone, this comes with Dolby player. Now I open this box. You can see this is Nokia 6 silver color. First I want to open the accessories. This is to open the SIM slot. You can see this is data cable, pure Nokia data cable, and the charger that you can see in other phones also, and then other accessories, earphone, the Nokia 6 earphones. You can see this, there are 3 accessories, sorry, 4, and the mobile one. Now I will start the phone. You can see this is pure silver color. I think this looks good. The Nokia comes this phone with Android Nougat 7.1.1. On Amazon, this mobile sales in I think in only 30 seconds. So only few customers got this phone, and I am also the lucky one. The next sale of this phone is on 30th August on Amazon. I have set the password. Sorry. You can see this, the pure silver color. This looks cool. Actually, I have started this phone later. Before, sorry. There is a airplane mode. I can off this. Now you can see this. This is easy to handle. Now we go to the settings. There is 32GB internal, which you can see only 11GB used. Android 7.1.1 Nougat. As this phone, Amazon sells this phone, so that's why there is Amazon software in this. And you can see this, there is a 2.8GB internal, which is 2GB used. And I think this phone feels good and will help you a lot in future. Oh, actually I forgot the one feature, which is NFC. With the help of NFC, if we touch two phones which is NFC supportable, then the data can be transferred from one phone to another only by touching both phones. You can see in the proper Nokia 6 silver one. Actually, I have experience of 2 days of this phone, and I love this phone because of his body. the metal body, the pure metal one. I think this is the best phone under 15,000. There is a SIM slot. I open this. Open this. Actually, I have placed two SIMs. You can see this, and now you can place it in this. So I think this is the best one to purchase under 15,000. So please subscribe my channel, and I will update more videos about Nokia and other phones.